Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you that how you can fix the problem of PayPal server error, and the error code is hash 10,002 10002. So actually I was also getting the same error, and one of my friend was asking me for help, so I solved this problem, and I thought that I have to share with you so that you could also solve this problem without having any technical knowledge. So you can see that I have this type of error like hash 10002. So that means we have some problem in our website, and if we are solving that one, then we would able to get rid of that. So if you are using PayPal in your website, like you have added the PayPal button and credit debit card button, then while doing the payment you will be getting such type of issue. So how you will be solving this issue? Just follow the steps that I am going to show you, and definitely you will get the solution. So the first thing is that you have to go to your dashboard of your WordPress, for example, and here you need to search cache. So once you are searching the cache, then you will be getting a lot of options here. So that means that there are few plugins which can help us to clear the cache from our WordPress website, right? So there are a lot of plugins that are popular one, like WP Fast Cache, and another is WP Super Cache, and another one is like sometime people also use Auto Optimize, and we have another paid plugin which is WP Rocket. So I have already installed this one, and the problem here is like caching problem. So for example, you have already added API username, API password, and API signature. So if you have those credentials and those are wrong, which are added into your system, for example, let me show you. So make sure that you have installed the PayPal plugin, and then you have to go to the Woocommerce, and here you can see that settings. On the left menu you will be getting this option, and once you are clicking on settings, and then you are going towards payments, and down below if you will have added PayPal checkout, then you have to click on manage. And here you can see that I have already added few username, API password, and API signature. So that means I have already added for doing the test payments, and if you have the live account, then you have to add the live API username, live API password, and all. For example, I am adding here live, then you can see that this is live API username, live API password, and live API signature. Alright, so in the same way, if you will have added, and those are stored in the cache, and if these are used onto your front end, and definitely you will be getting the errors which you are just seeing, like hash 10002. So what you have to do is you have to go to the plugins. Here on the left sidebar you will be getting an option plugins. So when you will be clicking over it, you will be getting the list of all those plugins which are already installed and activated, or maybe deactivated. So you will have list of all those plugins, and first of all you need to deactivate and maybe delete all those plugins which you are using for cache purpose. So for example, I have the WP Rocket. This is paid plugin and also help us to speed up our website, but still it has the issues of cache. So I have to deactivate this WP Rocket first. So at the bottom we have WP Rocket plugin, you can see here, and I am going to deactivate this one. It is temporary deactivation, or maybe you can skip and deactivate. Click on skip and deactivate without having any reason. You can click on this one, and this will be deactivated. And then we have WP Super Cache. I am also going to deactivate this one. So another one is like WP Fast Cache. Sometimes people also use this plugin for the sake of caching issue. So I am clicking. I have deactivated all the three, and let me delete all the plugins. So I have selected, and let me click on delete and apply for those which are selected one. So plugins are deactivated, and now those would be deleted. So you can see that we have no more the WP Rocket, WP Super Cache and WP Fast Cache. So finally what you have to do is you have to open your website in the private browser to do the testing. So for example, I am opening my website on the private browser, or you can call it incognito window, and then you have to try by clicking on shop, or maybe if you have any store, WooCommerce store, then you have to click on the products, and let me click on this specific product, and I have these options. And for example, I am interested to add to credit card, add to cart, and once this would be added to cart, then let's move ahead with the view cart. So you can see that we have the products which we have added to the cart, and here we have the PayPal options like PayPal simple button and credit debit card button. If you are thinking that you have not these two buttons into your website, I am also able to integrate these things into your website. So let me know if you are if you have need these type of buttons, and then I am going to click on proceed to checkout. So once you are clicking on proceed to checkout, then finally you will be getting both these buttons on the checkout page. And now if you will be doing the purchase from here, then definitely you will not get that issue of hash 10002 error. So those errors are only on your website because of cache. There is no other alternate, no other option. I have already confirmed from PayPal team, and I am also working on a lot of things related to plugins. So I was facing this issue, and I thought that I have to find the solution. So finally I end up with this solution, and I thought that I have to share with you. So you can see that I have this solution which I have just shared with you. And if still you are facing the same issue, you can contact me. I will be helping you out with this issue, and we will solve anyways. So if you are new on this channel, just subscribe this channel and like this video. And I am also uploading a lot of content which is problem solving content. Actually, if you will explore my channel, I have already uploaded a lot of videos which are just for the solution of a specific problem. So in the coming videos I will be also uploading those videos which are helping you to solve any specific type of problem. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.